Remove eyelashes, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a very specific phrase, remove eyelashes. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's dive into the meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about this phrase. Remember, understanding such phrases is key to mastering English. Remove eyelashes literally means to take off eyelashes from the eyes. This can refer to natural eyelashes or artificial ones. While natural eyelashes rarely need to be removed, artificial eyelashes, often used for cosmetic reasons, are frequently removed. It's important to distinguish between the two as the context can change the meaning. In this section, we will discuss how artificial eyelashes are removed. It involves careful steps to ensure that the natural eyelashes are not damaged. We will talk about the materials used, like special removers or oils, and the gentle technique required. This process is not only about beauty but also about eye health and care. Sometimes, remove eyelashes can be used metaphorically or idiomatically. For example, removing the eyelashes from a problem means getting rid of minor, superficial issues to focus on the real challenge. Understanding such idiomatic expressions is crucial for English learners to grasp the nuances of the language. Here, we'll explore how the concept of eyelashes and their removal is perceived in different cultures. This section aims to provide tips for English learners on cultural sensitivity and awareness, especially in conversations revolving around beauty and personal care. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the phrase, remove eyelashes, in both literal and idiomatic senses. Remember, every phrase you learn brings you one step closer to fluency in English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content.